Okay, in order to fix the low output problem, I will have to disassemble the machine. I'll have to first remove the faceplate. And the steps to remove the faceplate are as follows. First, you have to, of course, remove these two spools. Next step is to take out this cover. This cover could be a little tight. Try to gently pry it out a little bit, trying at each end. Don't try to wrestle with it. You are not fighting in UFC. So just try to be as gentle as you can. Otherwise, there are two plastic plastic tabs here which are likely to break. So be very, very gentle with it. Take your time. The third step would be to remove the output knob and these two line input knobs. So you can pull them right out. Again, be gentle, try not to scratch anything. The step afterwards will be to remove these two arms, tape sensor arms, here and here. These can be easily taken out using a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure you keep them in a safe place with the screws and the washers. The step after that is to actually remove the pinch roller. There is this cover for the pinch roller. Grab the wheel with one hand and then turn this cover on top until it comes out. Underneath, you will see a small screw. You can use needle nose pliers to take out that screw, and then the pinch roller will come right out. Having done that, the next step is to remove these two cover plate holders. There's one here and another one at this end. These, you may think that you would need a deep socket wrench to take these out, but that's not the case. Again, you can use needle nose pliers, grab them, twist them in the counterclockwise direction, and you should be able to take them out. Once you take them out, the next step would be to basically remove these screws. These are the faceplate screws. There are 3 here and the 3 on the other side. You can use either a 7/64 inch hex head screwdriver. I used basically a star shaped screwdriver, and it worked just fine. So I was able to loosen all these screws, 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. Once you get all of this done, your faceplate will come out nice and clean, and you would be able to access the front side of the deck, including all the linkages and mechanism for cleaning of the grease and re-lubing the linkages. To reach out to these switches and the back of these switches so that you can use deoxit on it, and also there is a head switch here which changes the direction of the head. You will really need to, this one you can still access from the front, but to access the back of these output pod and the line output pods, you will really have to pull out the whole machine from the wooden case. To remove the machine from the wooden case, you will have to undo 2 screws. One is here and another one is here. There are 2 more screws. There's supposed to be 2 more on the side. I guess that's about it. So once you remove these 2 screws, you can basically lift the whole machine out of this wooden case to expose the back of this machine. That's the part where you can then lube the motors, and you can also will be able to see the circuit boards so that you can deoxit these output controls to if your sound is scratchy or if there is any other problem. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop here now again, and I will start again when I have remove the faceplate. Stay tuned.